The skeletal system is the backbone, literally, of the human body, a complex framework that does way more than just keep us upright. Let's dive into 30 facts that show just how crazy cool our bones really are. The adult human body has 206 bones, but babies are born with about 270 bones, many of which fuse together as they grow. The femur, or thigh bone, is the longest and strongest bone in the body. It's stronger than concrete. Your stapes, located in the middle ear, is the smallest bone. It's about the size of a grain of rice. The skeletal system isn't just bones, it also includes cartilage, ligaments, tendons, and joints. Bones are living tissue that constantly regenerate. In fact, your entire skeleton regenerates itself about every 10 years. Bone marrow inside bones produces over 90% of your blood cells, including red cells, white cells, and platelets. The skull is made up of 22 bones, 8 in the cranium and 14 in the face. Your ribs protect vital organs like the heart and lungs. Most people have 24 ribs, 12 on each side. There are 26 bones in the human foot and 27 in each hand. That's over a quarter of your skeleton just in your extremities. Bones are made up of calcium, phosphorus, collagen, and water, with collagen giving them flexibility and calcium giving them strength. The echioid bone, located in your neck, is the only bone not connected to any other bone. It supports your tongue. Osteoblasts are cells that build new bone, while osteoclasts break down old bone in a continuous remodeling process. The spine has 33 vertebrae, but only 24 are movable. The rest are fused in the sacrum and coccyx. Bones are about 5 times stronger than steel of the same weight, but much lighter. Weightlifting and impact exercises actually strengthen bones by stimulating bone growth. The human skeleton can account for about 15% of your total body weight. As you age, bones can become brittle due to a loss in mineral density, which can lead to osteoporosis. Your bones store minerals, especially calcium and phosphorus, and release them into the blood when needed. The patella, or kneecap, is a sesamoid bone, meaning it's embedded in a tendon. Fractures heal through 3 stages: inflammation, bone production, and bone remodeling. The jawbone, or mandible, is the strongest bone in your face and the only one that moves. Teeth are not bones, but they are part of the skeletal system's functions and are made of dentin, which is even harder than bone. Some people are born with extra ribs, a condition called cervical rib. Your bones can reveal a lot about you. Forensic scientists can estimate age, sex, height, and even ancestry from a skeleton. Bones have tiny holes and channels that allow nerves and blood vessels to pass through. Cartilage doesn't heal well because it lacks its own blood supply, unlike bone. The pelvis supports the weight of the upper body and protects reproductive organs, the bladder, and parts of the colon. Bones are hollow but designed like a honeycomb inside. This keeps them strong but lightweight. Some diseases, like bone cancer or Paget's disease, directly affect the bone's ability to grow and repair properly. Without bones, we'd just be a blob of muscles and organs. They give our body shape, support, movement, and protection.